know it's not a thing and that I'm dramatic, but I just can't help it that I still get jealous. And yes, I know that I'm the only one in your bed, but am I actually the only one in your head? So touch me, baby, give me something, baby, 'cause I'm running out of things to say to you. We all got a past, I don't judge you for that, but I don't know how to tell you that I don't want enough. If I'm the only one who's ever called you baby, and I don't want enough. If I'm the only man who's ever seen you naked and has been in your bed, 'cause I can't imagine the love of you dancing to the rhythm of someone else's heartbeat. So don't take it personal. Maybe he's just a friend that was 3 years ago. And every time you say his name I start crying, and when you ask I lie and say that I'm fine thinking. So touch me, baby, give me something, baby, 'cause I'm feeling so far away from you. We all got a past, I don't judge you for that, but it really hurts my soul, 'cause I don't want enough. If I'm the only one who's ever called you baby, and I don't want enough. If I'm the only man who's ever seen you naked and has been in your bed, 'cause I can't imagine all of you dancing to the rhythm of someone else's heartbeat. Someone else's heartbeat. Now every morning you roll over to kiss mine again. You tell me good morning and make me coffee, just like you did. And when we cuddle on the couch with that candle, I think that is his voice inside my ears. 'Cause it smells like the one he got for Christmas that one year. He was 2 years ago. He was in the right place at the wrong time, but when my eyes are closed, I still think that he's mad. Even though you got the warm eyes, the sweet smile that drive me crazy. You got the smooth hands, the lips that wanna memorize me. You got the slow and steady, maybe someday start a family. You got everything that I need, so why do I sometimes still dream of someone else's heartbeat? How does anyone baby.